Hello traders, welcome to Forex Layer. Today I will explain the bearish harami in detail. The bearish harami is a pattern of the candlestick. The name of this candlestick is made up of two words, bearish and harami. You all know the meaning of the word bearish. Bearish means downtrend decline and harami is a Japanese word. It means a pregnant woman. The Japanese named the bearish harami after a pregnant woman because this candlestick pattern appear in the chart in a similar manner. You can see it in the video. The bearish harami is a bearish candlestick pattern, or one could say it is a candlestick pattern that indicates a decline. This means that the period of bullishness in the assist is over and a downtrend is about to begin. The bearish harami candlestick pattern is formed by two candles. You can see it in the video. In the bearish harami candlestick pattern, the first candle is a long bullish candlestick, or you could say it is a long bullish candle. It is green in color. The second candle is a small bearish candlestick, or you could say it is a small bearish candlestick. It is red in color. In the bearish harami candlestick pattern, the first candle is a named mother and the second candle is named baby. The bearish harami candlestick pattern is always formed in the chart after a long bullish period, or one could say it is a form at the top of the chart after the formation of this candlestick pattern. The possibility of a rally in the market ends. Selling after receiving confirmation will surely be profitable. So let's me now talk about how the bearish harami candlestick pattern is formed and what specific things need to be kept in mind during its formation. The first candle in the bearish harami candlestick pattern should be a long bullish candlestick, or one could say it should be a long bullish candle. After this, the second candle should open at the price equal to the close price of the first candle, or open with a gap down, or you could say it should open with a significant decline and it should trade only within the range of the first candle. After this, when this candle closes, it should close at the price equal to the above the open price of the first candle. In simple words, the second candle should be within the body of the first candle. If this second candle is very small, this candlestick pattern will work very well. The most important thing to keep in mind in this candlestick pattern is that the second candle must be completely between the open price and the close price of the first candle. This second candle should be a small bearish candlestick, or one could say a small bearish candle. The bearish harami candlestick pattern can appear in two ways on the chart. You can see both types in the video. Both of these work in the same way. The bearish harami candlestick pattern is a very easily found candlestick pattern in all types of market. Whether you trade in the Indian stock market or the commodity market or the forex market or any other market, it is one of the most common candlestick pattern found in all types of market. Often, the day after this candlestick pattern is formed on the chart, the price opened with a good decline, or one could say with a gap down. When this happens, it becomes a completely confirmation for you to sell. The bearish harami candlestick pattern can appear on the intraday chart, daily chart, weekly chart and monthly chart as well. This candlestick pattern works very well in all these charts. After the formation of this candlestick pattern, the seller grips on the market strength. If you do intraday trading, you should look at in the 5-minute and 15-minute time frames and you can earn good profit from it. And if you do positional trading, you should look at it in the daily chart and weekly chart and you can earn even better profit from it. So friends, now you must have understood how the bearish harami candlestick pattern is formed and what effect its formation has on the market. So now let me tell you how the bearish harami candlestick pattern works. Suppose the bearish harami candlestick pattern was formed in the chart yesterday and the new candle of today open with a gap down, meaning it's open with a good decline, then you should sell in the market, or the price should not close below the low of the first candlestick pattern. Until then, you should not sell in the market. When the price closes below the low of the first candle of the bearish Harami candlestick pattern, then you should sell in the market, and you must place a stop loss above the high of the first candle of the bearish Harami candlestick pattern. So friends, today you have learned in detail about the bearish Harami candlestick pattern. Hope you liked this information. Please like this video and subscribe Forex Leah.